Do subscribe to MJTube and hit on bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, hope you all are doing well. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce and email your PPT file. Sometimes a PPT file take the larger space than more than 25 MB or 30 MB. Even I have created 100 MB file, so we can't easily share or mail the 100 MB file. So how to reduce the file size of PPT and how to share it? It's very simple. I will show you. Don't be confused here. So here I have a file and the file size is 2.7 MB. Your may be 20 MB or 30 MB, 50 MB or 60 MB. So mine is 2.78 MB now. So how to reduce this file? The easy thing, okay? Just open this file here, and after you open the file, just click on file, okay, and then click on save as. Select your output location. Here, before you save, do one important thing. Click on extend the tools and then click on compress picture. Okay, you will get this type of dialog box. Here check on email 96 ppi, minimize document size for sharing. Check it. Okay, and then give the file name, like I will give the converted like this, and then save the file and boom. Okay, now close this. So we got two of file. This is the original, so it is still 2.78 MB, and the converted file is only 904 KB. So this is a big difference, and you can, this is the easiest way without using any software and app to convert your file. And even if you open this picture file, you can't differentiate on the original or converted file. Look at that, everything is same now here. Okay, so if you want to share this file, just go to file here and then share, and then email, then send as attachment. This will work when you have Outlook. If you don't have Outlook, then go to traditional way, like going to Gmail or your Yahoo Mail, and then attach the file and send the file. This is a simple thing. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.